Patents are crucial for protecting your inventions, but how much do they really cost? Let's break down the expenses involved in obtaining and maintaining a patent. Patents come in different types, each with its own price tag. A provisional patent application is the most affordable option, typically costing between $130 and $300. This gives you patent pending status for 12 months. However, it's just a temporary measure and doesn't result in an actual patent. Utility patents, which protect how an invention works, are more expensive. These can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 or more. Design patents, which protect how an invention looks, are less costly, ranging from $2,000 to $4,000. Several factors influence the total cost of a patent. The complexity of your invention plays a significant role. More complex inventions require detailed claims and expert drafting, driving up costs. The number of claims, the need for detailed drawings, and potential revisions all contribute to higher expenses. Patent searches are an important step, costing between $1,000 and $3,000. This helps ensure your invention is unique and doesn't infringe on existing patents. Professional drawings are another expense to consider, as they're crucial for clearly illustrating your invention. If you're looking to protect your invention internationally, be prepared for additional costs. Filing under the Patent Cooperation Treaty can range from $3,000 to $10,000 or more, depending on the countries involved. This includes translation fees, national phase entry fees, and local attorney costs in each country. Speaking of attorneys, while their fees can be substantial, ranging from $200 to $500 per hour, they can actually save you money in the long run. Patent attorneys help avoid costly mistakes, ensure your application is complete, and can handle office actions efficiently. Their expertise can be particularly valuable for complex inventions or when dealing with international patents. It's important to remember that patent costs don't end with the initial filing. There are ongoing expenses to consider. For utility patents, you'll need to pay maintenance fees at 3.5, 7.5, and 11.5 years after issuance. These fees range from $400 to $7,700, increasing over time. If you're on a tight budget, you might consider filing a patent yourself. However, be aware of the risks. Common pitfalls include incomplete applications, insufficient patent searches, and weak claims. These mistakes can lead to rejections, additional fees, or patents that don't adequately protect your invention. To manage patent costs effectively, start by thoroughly describing your invention and ensuring it qualifies for patent protection. Consider starting with a provisional patent if you're not ready for a full application. Always factor in post-filing costs and maintenance fees when budgeting for your patent. In conclusion, while patent costs can be significant, they're an important investment in protecting your intellectual property. The total expense depends on the type of patent, complexity of the invention, and whether you choose to file internationally. While it's possible to reduce initial costs by filing yourself, the expertise of a patent attorney can be invaluable in navigating the complex patent process and potentially saving money in the long term.